how to change display size in Mac. If you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or iMac, the steps are going to be same. Now at the start you need to open system setting. You can find system setting in dock, or else you can go and select Apple logo on the left hand side top corner and you get system setting option over here. Once you open system settings, this is how it looks. On the left hand side you get multiple options. You need to scroll down and you need to select displays option. Once you select that, you get multiple resolution option over here. Currently the one which is highlighted in blue, it is the default setting, and I have already selected the default setting. It has 1440 into 900 resolution. If you want to select larger text, it has 1024 into 640 resolution. Now if I select this particular option, it is asking me if you want to change the resolution. I'm going to select change resolution, and then you can see the system settings page is not completely visible on the screen. Now if I go back to default setting, I can see the whole system setting page over here. Similarly, if I select the second option, you can see in this one also you get medium size fonts and you can access some things, and even the window size in this one is not completely, we are not able to see it completely on the screen. If I go back to default settings, you can check out how the window is appearing on the screen right now. So you can select all the resolution whichever you want, whichever you're comfortable with. You can just select the resolution and that's it. You don't have to save any option. You just have to select the settings and you're good to go. So these are the simple steps you need to follow in order to change a display size in your Mac. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.